How to create a DIY and tools e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just click on login and you will proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email or your username, just click on next to proceed to type in your password and give it a few seconds to load. And after typing your password, just click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. And after choosing your name, click on continue. Then here you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you most, and then do the same with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So mine is about DIY and tools, so I'm going to choose tools and parts category. And if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other, then click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and then give them a few seconds to build up your store. And here, this is the dashboard of the platform or your store, as you can see. And here in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And here in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you right now. So let's start with website, and also we have the edit site button in here. Then we have the domains button where you can set your domain name or change the domain name that you already have. Then we have the items section where you have the site's items, where you can create new products or change the products that you already have. Then we have the site's categories where you can categorize the products that you created in here, or if you just want to create a category. Then we have options and coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. So that's it for this section. Let's proceed to the next one, which is orders, and it's basically where you can check the orders that you have, see the fulfilled one, shipped one, cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section where you can set up your pickup settings or your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section where you have the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. And then we have the marketing section, and basically in this section you can find everything related or every tool related to growing your audience, starting from email to automated ads, mailing lists, to segments and setup. And if you want again to see the summary of all these tools, just click on summary. And then we have the communications section where you have the email and text alerts, also the pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have the settings where we have the general settings if you want to change the company name or set up your address, your email, or your phone number. As you can see, you can change all of that in here. Then we have the checkout where you can set your payment processors by connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account, or if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes where you can set your taxes, and also the units where you can change the site's language and where you can edit your units. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on edit site button and give it a few seconds guys to load. You will need to be patient with this platform. It takes a little bit of time to be loaded. As you can see, just a second while we build your site. And it's now building, as you can see. And here we have the setup guide. If you want to go with it, click on what's next. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And here we have the first step of creating our store, which is choosing the style that fits us. So let's wait for the store to be fully loaded, and then let's choose the style and check if it fits our store. So here let's choose the first one, which is pretty simple, and then click on hide styles, and let's check if it fits us. But no, this button doesn't show up. Click again on show styles, and let's choose this one and click on hide styles. Then let's check again. This typing is not showing very much. Let's go with this one. I think this one will do fine. So here this one is good. So click on apply site styles. Then you proceed to the site's design, where you can again change the site styles, and also you can add an image to be your logo, change the colors, change fonts, which I'm going to do right now. Change it to Comforta, this one, then click on done. After that we have the shapes. If you want to change the shapes of the buttons, let's go with rounded. Also for the images, let's go with rounded. Then click on done. And if you want to change these elements also, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. When you're done, you click on done. And here let's close these ones first. Dismiss all, dismiss. And here we have the pages and the sections that we have in the store. If you want to change them or delete them, and also the plus button if you want to create a new section or a new page or a new item or a new category. And here if you want to hide a section or show it, and also if you want to change the placement of one of them. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. I hope I achieved that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.